Have you ever seen these trending viral videos before?
You're fired! Get your things and leave!
These viral videos are literally taking over TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram lately. And believe it or not, you can whip up the exact same content in a matter of seconds, and all you need is one simple, free tool to get it done. This TikTok page gained 2.5 million followers by uploading only 19 short videos, 2.5 million in just 19 posts, just by creating short videos with free AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you an incredible tool that lets you create videos just like these using nothing but a single prompt or a simple story idea. The tool is called AniJam AI. Simply search for AniJam.ai on Chrome and click the very first link. To make it even easier, I've dropped the link in the description below so you can jump straight into it. You can also use AniJam AI right on your phone. Just scan this QR code on the screen or grab the link to download the app and get started. With AniJam AI, you get free credits every single day. Just check in daily to claim them, and you're all set to start creating your short videos. Whether you want short or long-form content, all you have to do is paste your idea right here into the prompt box. Just like this, I'm entering a short video idea using an anthropomorphic character style. After that, AniJam AI will start working on my story idea and create a story outline. Now, the AI agent will ask me which storyboard plan I want to select. We have three options. First is AI Director mode, which generates a fully ready-to-publish video in one go. Second is Workflow mode, where you can generate and animate frames and sounds step by step. Third is Oscar mode, where a simple idea generates a full script and video. For video models, we have top options like Seedance 2 or Kling 3. I will use Kling 3 because Seedance 2 is not for free users. Director mode is already selected, so now we just click Confirm. Once you do that, AniJam AI's video agent will guide you through a few quick setup options. It'll ask things like who the video is for, which platform you want to post on, what aspect ratio you need, which audio style you want to use, and the length of the video. Here, I'm selecting teenagers as the target audience and choosing shorts as the platform. I'll keep the aspect ratio vertical since that works best for short-form content, and for the audio mode, I'm going with dialogue-based audio. Now, when it comes to video length, AniJam is powerful enough to generate videos up to 25 minutes long. But for this tutorial, I'm setting the duration to just 30 seconds so you can quickly see how everything works and how beginner-friendly the tool really is. After selecting all the settings, go ahead and click on Confirm. Then click on Style Design, and AniJam Style Library will instantly open up. Now this is one of the coolest parts of the tool. AniJam AI will automatically recommend a few styles based on your video idea, so if you like any of the suggestions, you can select them right away. But if none of them match your vibe, just open the full style library and pick any style you want. And honestly, the style library is super impressive. There are so many different styles available here that you can create almost any type of video you can imagine. From cartoon and 3D styles to cinematic and animated looks, everything is organized really well and easy to use. For this example, I'm going with the Pixie Pop 3D style from the suggested section, but feel free to choose whatever style fits your content best. Once that's done, AniJam will give us the option to design the video concept. So let's select that too and move on to the next step. This is where the AI starts building the overall look and feel of your video based on your idea. Next, AniJam's AI agent will give us the Generate All Concepts option. Once we click and send it, the AI will automatically start creating the full visual concept for the video. Basically, it will design the characters, locations, scenes, and overall visuals according to your story idea. After generating everything, the AI will ask you to review and confirm whether you're happy with the characters and visuals before continuing further. This makes the whole video creation process much faster and easier, especially for beginners. And as you can see here, the AI has automatically created the characters and location visuals according to our story idea. What's really impressive is that the AI understands exactly how a 30-second video should be structured, like how long the script should be, how many characters are needed, and which locations will fit the story best. Based on all of that, it automatically generates the perfect characters, scenes, and visuals for the video. You also have the option to upload your own custom-made character. And if you don't like the AI-generated character, you can simply edit the prompt and regenerate it with the changes you want. This gives you much more creative control over your final video. Alright, so as you can see, AniJam AI has created 3 different locations for the video. Basically, each scene will last around 10 seconds since we originally selected the 30-second video option. The AI automatically divides the scenes and timing according to the video length, which makes the storytelling feel much more smooth and professional. Once everything is ready, simply click on Start Video Generation, and AniJam AI will begin generating all the scenes for your video automatically. From this point, the AI handles most of the hard work for you and starts turning your idea into a complete video. Finally, AniJam AI will ask if you want to animate all the scenes together at the same time or generate them one by one in a step-by-step process. Both options work fine, so you can choose whichever fits your workflow best. For this tutorial, I'm going with the first option because it automatically generates and animates all the scenes at once, which saves a lot of time and makes the whole process much faster. And as you can see here, AniJam AI has successfully generated 3 different scenes, each about 10 seconds long. So together, it created a full 30-second video completely based on our story idea. What's impressive is that the AI automatically handled the scene timing, visuals, and storytelling flow to turn a simple idea into a complete animated video. Next, to add background music, we simply need to click on Generate BGM. After that, the AI will automatically analyze the video and story idea and add matching music for us. For example, if your story is emotional, sad, or heart-touching, the AI will use soft and emotional background music. But if your video is action-based, happy, energetic, or motivational, it'll automatically select music that fits that vibe perfectly. This helps make the video feel more cinematic and engaging without needing to manually search for music yourself. So, as you can see, the background music has now been added to the video. And if you want to merge all the scenes into one complete video, simply click on Render Preview Video, and AniJam AI will start rendering everything automatically. After the rendering is finished, you can preview the video to check how the final result looks before exporting it. And once you're happy with it, just click on Export the final video, and your video will be ready to save and upload. Alright, now let's preview the final video and see the complete result. Let's check how the scenes turned out and how perfectly the background music matches the overall story and emotions of the video.
You're fired! Get your things and leave!
You can see how easy AniJam makes the whole video creation process. The characters remain consistent throughout the video, the background music perfectly matches the story, and even the dialogues include natural emotions and expressions, which makes the final result feel much more cinematic and engaging. You can directly download your final video using this download button. And the best part is that new users get 500 free credits just for signing up, along with 100 free daily credits through the daily check-in system. AniJam is also available on mobile, so you can create and manage videos right from your phone. Just visit their website and download the app to get started. I've put AniJam's official website link in both the description and the pinned comment below, so definitely check it out and try it for yourself. And if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.